Make a great choice today with the 2018 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.